What if the person destined to transform your love life is not the zodiac sign you have always imagined? You may believe your soulmate should instantly understand you, agree with everything you say, and make love feel effortless. But astrology tells a more complex story. A true soulmate may bring comfort, but they may also challenge your fears, awaken hidden emotions, and force you to grow into a stronger version of yourself. Your sun sign can reveal part of the answer, but it is not the complete picture. Your moon sign shows what your heart needs. Venus reveals how you give and receive love. Mars describes passion and desire. Your rising sign influences attraction, while the 7th house can reveal the type of partner you repeatedly seek. So, who is your true soulmate according to astrology? Stay until the end because your ideal match may be completely different from the sign you expected. In astrology, a soulmate is not necessarily one perfect person selected for you by the universe. A soulmate is someone whose energy creates a powerful connection with your birth chart. Some soulmates arrive to provide emotional safety. Others enter your life to teach you confidence, patience, trust, or self-respect. A connection can feel destined because the other person activates important planets, houses, or points in your chart. This is why two people with supposedly incompatible sun signs can build a lasting relationship, while two highly compatible signs may struggle. Soulmate astrology is based on the interaction between two complete birth charts, known as synastry. However, your zodiac sign can still reveal the qualities and signs that are most likely to complement your natural personality. Listen for your sun, moon, and rising signs, because each one may reveal a different part of your soulmate pattern. Aries, you need a soulmate who respects your independence, understands your ambition, and is not intimidated by your intensity. Your strongest soulmate connections often appear with Leo and Sagittarius. These fire signs understand your need for movement, passion, excitement, and direct communication. Leo can offer loyalty and romantic confidence, while Sagittarius can bring adventure and personal freedom. Gemini and Aquarius may also create powerful chemistry with you. Gemini keeps your mind stimulated, while Aquarius encourages you to pursue your individual goals without becoming emotionally controlling. However, your true soulmate may also carry strong Libra energy. Libra is your opposite sign, and this connection can teach you cooperation, patience, and emotional balance. Aries acts quickly, while Libra considers both sides. Your soulmate is not someone who weakens your fire. It is someone who helps you direct it towards something meaningful. Taurus, loyalty, consistency, physical affection, and trust are essential to your emotional happiness. You need a soulmate who does not disappear when life becomes difficult. Cancer and Pisces can provide the emotional warmth you often need. Cancer offers protection and commitment, while Pisces brings tenderness, romance, and spiritual understanding. You may also create an enduring partnership with Virgo or Capricorn. These earth signs understand your practical nature and desire to build a secure future. Virgo can support your routines, while Capricorn shares your patience and long-term ambition. Your opposite sign, Scorpio, can create one of your most intense soulmate connections. Taurus seeks stability, while Scorpio seeks emotional depth. Together, these signs can form an unbreakable bond, but possessiveness and control must be handled carefully. Your soulmate is someone whose actions remain consistent after the excitement of the beginning has passed. Gemini, emotional attraction is not enough for you. Your soulmate must also stimulate your curiosity and keep communication alive. Libra and Aquarius often understand your intellectual, social, and independent qualities. Libra creates easy conversation and romantic charm, while Aquarius introduces unusual ideas and encourages you to think differently. You may also feel strong attraction toward Aries and Leo. These fire signs bring confidence, spontaneity, and excitement into your world. They can help turn your endless ideas into action. Your opposite sign, Sagittarius, may feel strangely familiar. Both signs need freedom, discovery, and mental stimulation. Gemini explores the details, while Sagittarius searches for the greater meaning. The challenge is consistency. Your soulmate will not imprison your freedom, but they will encourage you to communicate honestly instead of disappearing when emotions become complicated. Your true match is someone who continues to fascinate your mind while giving your heart a reason to stay. Cancer, you love deeply, but you do not give your complete trust easily. Your soulmate must respect your sensitivity without treating it as weakness. Taurus and Virgo can offer stability, patience, and reliability. Taurus creates emotional and physical security, while Virgo shows love through support, practical help, and attention to detail. Scorpio and Pisces may understand your emotional depth more naturally. Scorpio can form an intensely loyal bond with you, while Pisces shares your intuition, compassion, and romantic nature. Your opposite sign, Capricorn, may become an important soulmate figure. Cancer protects the emotional world, while Capricorn protects the material world. Together, you can build a secure life if neither person dismisses the other's priorities. Your soulmate is not simply someone who says they care. It is someone who creates enough safety for you to reveal the emotions you normally protect. Leo, you need passion, loyalty, appreciation, and emotional generosity. You want a partner who is proud to love you, but you must also feel inspired by them. Aries and Sagittarius can match your confidence and enthusiasm. Aries brings fearless attraction, while Sagittarius adds freedom, humor, and adventure. You may also connect strongly with Gemini and Libra. Gemini keeps the relationship exciting through conversation and variety. Libra brings romance, beauty, and social harmony. Your opposite sign, Aquarius, can create a magnetic soulmate connection. Leo represents personal expression, while Aquarius represents collective purpose and individuality. Aquarius may not provide constant praise, but they can teach you that love is also about accepting each other's uniqueness. Your soulmate will admire your light without becoming dependent on it. They will remind you that you are lovable even when you are not performing, winning, or receiving attention. Virgo, you often express affection through actions rather than dramatic declarations. You notice what people need, solve problems, and remember details others overlook. Taurus and Capricorn can appreciate your reliability and practical approach to love. Taurus offers patience and affection, while Capricorn shares your commitment to responsibility and improvement. Cancer and Scorpio may help you access deeper emotions. Cancer provides gentleness, while Scorpio can create the trust required for genuine vulnerability. Your opposite sign, Pisces, may feel both confusing and irresistible. Virgo relies on logic, while Pisces follows intuition. Virgo creates structure, while Pisces teaches surrender. This relationship can become deeply healing when neither person tries to change the other completely. Your soulmate will recognize that your advice, consistency, and small acts of service are expressions of love. They will also encourage you to relax and accept affection without analyzing every detail. Libra, you desire partnership, emotional balance, romance, and mutual respect. However, you can sometimes remain in uncertain situations because you see every person's perspective. Gemini and Aquarius often provide the communication and intellectual connection you need. Gemini brings variety and curiosity, while Aquarius respects individuality within the relationship. Leo and Sagittarius may create passionate, optimistic partnerships. Leo offers romance and loyalty, while Sagittarius encourages you to be more adventurous and decisive. Your opposite sign, Aries, can become a powerful soulmate. Aries acts quickly, while Libra carefully evaluates. Aries can teach you courage and directness, while you teach Aries diplomacy and cooperation. Your true soulmate will not keep you trapped in confusion. They will communicate their intentions and choose the relationship consistently. The right love will not require you to abandon your boundaries to maintain peace. Scorpio, superficial attraction will never satisfy you for long. You seek loyalty, truth, intensity, and emotional transformation. Cancer and Pisces can understand your sensitivity beneath the powerful exterior. Cancer offers devotion and emotional safety, while Pisces creates a spiritual and intuitive bond. Virgo and Capricorn may provide the reliability you need to trust someone completely. Virgo notices subtle changes in your emotions, while Capricorn proves commitment through long-term action. Your opposite sign, Taurus, can create extraordinary chemistry. Both signs are loyal, determined, sensual, and resistant to change. The attraction can be unforgettable, but both partners must release control and possessiveness. Your soulmate is someone who can enter your emotional world without using your vulnerability against you. They will not fear your intensity, but they will expect honesty and emotional responsibility from you. Sagittarius, you need a soulmate who does not restrict your curiosity or demand that you become smaller to make them feel secure. Aries and Leo often match your optimism, confidence, and passion. Aries encourages action, while Leo brings generosity, romance, and enthusiasm. Libra and Aquarius can respect your freedom while sharing your interest in ideas, culture, and new experiences. Aquarius may be especially attractive because they rarely follow traditional relationship expectations. Your opposite sign, Gemini, can feel like a mental soulmate. Both signs love movement, learning, conversation, and change. Gemini asks questions, while Sagittarius searches for truth. Your soulmate will travel with you emotionally, mentally, or physically. They will not try to control your path. However, they will also teach you that freedom does not require avoiding commitment. The right relationship becomes another adventure, not the end of one. Capricorn, you need a partner who respects your goals, understands your responsibilities, and remains dependable under pressure. Taurus and Virgo can support your desire for stability and long-term achievement. Taurus brings patience and sensuality, while Virgo contributes organization and practical care. Scorpio and Pisces may introduce emotional depth into your structured world. Scorpio understands determination and loyalty, while Pisces softens your defenses and encourages emotional openness. Your opposite sign, Cancer, can become a life-changing soulmate. Capricorn focuses on achievement and protection through structure. Cancer focuses on home, family, and emotional security. Together, you can create both material and emotional stability. Your soulmate will respect your ambition but remind you that love is not another performance review. You deserve affection during difficult periods, not only after reaching your goals. Aquarius, you need friendship, intellectual compatibility, independence, and a shared vision. A relationship that becomes controlling or repetitive may quickly make you feel trapped. Gemini and Libra often understand your social and mental energy. Gemini brings new ideas, while Libra creates cooperation without demanding emotional intensity every moment. Aries and Sagittarius may support your unconventional dreams. Aries respects courage, while Sagittarius shares your need for exploration and personal freedom. Your opposite sign, Leo, can become a magnetic soulmate. Aquarius focuses on the future and the collective, while Leo focuses on personal creativity and heartfelt expression. Leo can teach you emotional warmth, while you teach Leo to look beyond approval. Your soulmate is someone who begins as a genuine friend, respects your unusual qualities, and gives you space without creating emotional distance. Pisces, you seek more than physical attraction. You want emotional, spiritual, and imaginative connection. However, your compassion can sometimes make you idealize people who have not earned your trust. Cancer and Scorpio can understand your emotional depth. Cancer provides nurturing safety, while Scorpio creates powerful intimacy and loyalty. Taurus and Capricorn may ground your dreams in reality. Taurus brings calm affection, while Capricorn can help create structure, protection, and long-term stability. Your opposite sign, Virgo, can become one of your greatest teachers. Pisces follows feelings, while Virgo follows facts. Pisces sees unlimited possibilities, while Virgo identifies what is realistically achievable. Your true soulmate will appreciate your sensitivity without exploiting it. They will support your dreams while helping you maintain clear boundaries and a strong connection with reality. Sun sign compatibility is only the beginning. Several birth chart connections can make a relationship feel deeply significant. Strong moon connections may create emotional recognition. You may feel safe with the person before you fully understand why. Connections involving Venus and Mars can produce romantic attraction, physical chemistry, and a powerful desire to pursue one another. The sign on your 7th house cusp, also called the descendant, can describe qualities you seek in a long-term partner. For example, an Aries rising usually has Libra on the descendant and may seek diplomacy, balance, and partnership. Contacts with the lunar nodes can create a feeling of destiny or unfinished business. Saturn connections may bring commitment and longevity, but they can also create responsibility or difficult lessons. Pluto connections often feel magnetic and transformative, while Neptune can create spiritual romance, but also illusion. a soulmate connection is therefore not measured by one placement. It appears through repeated patterns across both charts. A true soulmate connection may feel intense, but intensity alone does not prove compatibility. Your real soulmate will not require you to lose your identity, tolerate disrespect, or constantly question your worth. Astrology can reveal attraction and potential, but personal choices determine whether the relationship becomes healthy. Look for someone who supports your development, communicates honestly, respects your boundaries, and takes responsibility for their behavior. The relationship may challenge you, but it should not repeatedly destroy your peace. You may experience more than one soulmate during your lifetime. One may teach you self-respect. Another may awaken your ambition. Another may become the person with whom you create a lasting partnership. Do not become so focused on finding a particular zodiac sign that you ignore someone whose complete birth chart beautifully complements your own. So, who is your true soulmate according to astrology? Aries may find fire and balance. Taurus needs loyalty and emotional security. Gemini needs mental connection. Cancer needs safety. Leo needs appreciation. Virgo needs understanding. Libra needs clear commitment. Scorpio needs emotional truth. Sagittarius needs freedom and growth. Capricorn needs stability. Aquarius needs friendship and individuality. Pisces needs spiritual depth with healthy boundaries, but your true answer is hidden in your complete birth chart, not your sun sign alone. Comment your zodiac sign below and tell us which sign you believe is your soulmate. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more zodiac compatibility and relationship readings. Remember, astrology may reveal who attracts your soul, but mutual respect, honesty, and consistent effort determine who deserves your heart.